Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the annoying call hanging up issue on any Android phone. So without wasting any time, let's jump right into it. Method 1. Clear phone app cache. First, open Settings app on your device. On the Settings app, scroll down and tap on App Management. Now select Manage Apps or simply find App List depending on your phone. In the search bar, type Phone. When the phone app appears, tap on it. Then go to Storage and Cache. Now tap on Clear Cache and then Clear Storage. Don't worry, this won't delete your call logs or contacts. Now let's move on to the next step. Go back to the main settings menu. On the main settings menu, scroll all the way down and tap on System. Now select Reset Phone. It may show as Reset option on some devices. Tap on Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth or Reset Network Settings. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Just tap Reset Settings. You'll need to enter your phone's PIN or pattern to confirm. This will reset your network settings, Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. But don't worry, your personal data will remain safe. That's it. After following these steps, your call hanging issue should be fixed. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.